Welcome, friends. The sun is setting. It's time to return home. The birds are returning to their nest, and the environment feels so soothing with their chirping sounds. A gentle breeze is blowing. In this beautiful moment, I captured the setting sun on camera. I feel like having a cup of tea with something homemade. It would have been even better if a loved one were here, but you all are here with me, my friends. In this lovely atmosphere, I sang a couple of lines of the Bengali song just for you, my friends. এই এক মতো সোনা ঝরা সন্ধ্যা আর ওই ফোটা রজনীগন্ধা, তুমি আসবে কিনা সে তো আমি জানি না, নানা মাধবী লগনে মন মানে না. Now let's quickly prepare a unique and tasty jhalmuri. I mixed onions, tomato, green chilies, coriander leaves and mustard oil together. Then I added peanuts and a few types of chips, and of course I kept tasting along the way. Also, I added chanachur, and finally the puffed rice. How can I even explain how delicious this spicy puffed rice turned out, my friends? So crispy and tasty, my friends. You must try this recipe. Thank you. If you like it, my friends, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for enjoying the video. Bye bye. Take care.